what it is, this some 5-star dick. She a big old freak, it's a must that I hit. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Know she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit.
What's up, Maya gang? We back at it again with another freaking video. And you know what team I'm repping? Like 36 all day, every day, period. But today, what's up, Maya gang? We're back with another freaking video. Let me see.
No, it's mine.
So what we doing?
We're gonna do a handcuff challenge for 30 minutes.
No, 24 hours.
For 24 hours.
24. What?
Me and my brother gonna be handcuffed for 24 hours. No, shut up,
Eli.
Why not? Because it hurts my hand.
Or for 13 hours.
No.
For 30 minutes.
No, for them two.
No. Alright, 24 hours.
I hit you with the handcuff.
30 minutes.
Hit them with the handcuffs, you get
For
tripped
30 minutes.
30 minutes now.
Eli don't get 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Since he's the youngest.
Yeah.
And the baby, he'll get 10 minutes.
You're gonna get handcuffed. No, I'm gonna hide the key.
So, you have to give me the key.
No.
No.
He got all of it.
So.
I know how to
Alright,
do it.
you and me.
Okay, different arm though.
Give me the key. Give me the
Yeah.
key. Give me the key.
Hold up. In my back pocket.
Alright, so me and my aunt gonna be handcuffed for 24 hours.
Yeah.
Not 24 hours. I can't do it.
13 hours.
Okay.
Do you
I can
not know what 13 hours is, Jamala?
It's less than 24.
You should just go to sleep right there. I'm not gonna go to sleep now. It's that I put my money in the grave.
Alright, handcuffed.
Why is it too tight on my arm though?
I had to do mine's tight, so mine's got
There we go.
handcuffed for 24 hours. Give me that.
No!
Wait, hold up.
That's cheating! You trying to make because you escaped.
Hold
So
on.
you never.
You have to use this arm.
This one?
Yeah.
I got my Apple Watch on here.
Boy, get that. That's not yours, Aiden. This is Jamani's.
Okay, so.
Aiden's stealing. Aiden's stealing.
So, see? Hold up. I need somebody to do this.
I'm gonna.
No. No, hold on. Stop.
The handcuff.
Eli!
Push
me down the steps.
Two paper coupons. And then you was on one.
What's the remote at?
Bruh, Eli almost pushed me down the steps. He closed the door on me. What's the remote?
We just switched arms since we on this bed.
Oh, y'all cheating?
Now all these switching on.
Oh. I'm sitting.
He's switching on.
Ooh, my head.
Aiden!
Shush, Eli.
That's not. Look, somebody find the remote for us. Please.
I never had the remote, and you was the one who had it.
You did have it since you said it.
Say somebody look for it.
I don't know what it is.
Wait.
This is actually funny. Come on, Kalisa. Put it back there.
No.
Aiden, where you doing? A ghost took. Aiden, where it?
Come on.
Aiden, we don't have to watch it. Aiden, come on.
We still handcuffed, y'all.
Yeah, okay.
Not even been 10 minutes. Wow.
Very watchable.
About to watch a movie. I'm not gonna do this.
We're looking for a
I'm not
movie.
gonna, I'm only gonna do 30 minutes.
We're looking
Or an hour.
You said 13 now. They're looking for a movie right now.
Huh?
They're looking for a movie right now, guys.
It's
So,
supposed to be 24,
they don't know what
I'm
they're
not gonna
doing.
24 hours.
Okay? They're looking for a movie. Yesy? 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 Okay. Let's get
I used to be broke. Now I got a lot of money, yeah. My girl Queen coming up, watch. My girl Queen, hold up. Tell him Queen. Tell him Queen. And all they be like, brother by brother. They try to fight me. They never take me on my drum on Beyonce. Beyonce. They home, take that picture pop for Rossi. Wait a minute, make me a whole and not me. So oh my God, yeah. Nah, nothing wrong. It's a heavy song. It was my nigga with my phone. Got a lot of money, yeah. Tell him, please. Hold up. Gotta make him walk and make me rolling. Say I love you, slowly. Make me rolling, choices. That maybe just too far. Maybe Mr. B. Maybe find you on the dog. What's wrong with fancy? Oh yeah. Rock my big ID. So I'm gonna crazy. And then come out the door. Kneel down before him. Hey, worship and adore him. Amen. Come let's adore him. Kneel down before him. Worship and adore him. Emmanuel. 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 So that was it right there. But if y'all want to see me do like I have others like songs to do. Like if y'all want, I have a gospel playlist. If y'all want to see me do my gospel playlist, this one is down below. That y'all want to see my gospel playlist. But I have like lit ratchet playlists, and then also all gospel playlists because I have my moments like when I'm in my life feelings. If I miss somebody, I just hit do gospel. But if I want to turn up, sing, dance, turn up, I normally do both gospel or my lit playlist. It just depends on my mood. But that's about it for this video. It probably will be over 40 minutes or more. But I tried to do all the songs that I wanted to do, but it's just, I had a rough time finding my songs and then everything, because I thought all my songs was in my playlist, but it's not. So, I hope y'all enjoy. This is like part 2, part 3 of my lit playlist. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, comment to my game, find out where my real subscribers are. And also comment on like what y'all want to see me do next. That's on period. And comment. Make sure y'all follow me on at least 2 of my social media, or 3. Follow me on at least 2 or 3 of my social media in order to get a shout out. That's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and Snapchat. Y'all will make sure y'all turn up. Make sure y'all turn on that post notification for y'all to see me drop bangers. It'll be mixture of videos. Like, my channel will be about a lot of stuff. So you will get the real me every time. The real turn up, lit, singing, dancing me. Period. And also Goofy. I still not sure. Like me, I want my channel to be about a lot of stuff, like challenges and everything. So you're not gonna know what video I will drop. I'm not gonna even know what video I will drop. I will be surprised. Y'all will be surprised what videos I will drop and make, like, for real. But yeah, on the road to 300 subscribers. Let's get there. Let's see. I will be doing giveaways when I hit 1K subscribers. And because verified, y'all will be seeing me do, if, whether you carry, I will buy challenge. So, yeah, I will be seeing me do that challenge. Probably, like, with my nieces, my nieces and nephews. So whatever they carry, they will have to buy. But also, I don't make it easy for them. But the older ones, they'll have to, if they drop it, they will get one more chance. Then, like the little ones, if they drop it, I still will buy it for them. So yeah, that's about it. I will be doing another playlist or reaction. Alright, my gang. Peace. Bye. Until next time.